Hello, in this video I'm going to explain how my app works from the technical side. The app is called Color Personality Calculator. I built it using Android Studio and I write code in Kotlin. It's a simple fun app. Instead of doing normal number calculations, it takes a color that user chooses and gives back a personality type based on that color. When the app starts, it first shows a splash screen with the app logo, and the screen stays for a few seconds just to give the app a clean start. After that, it moves to the main site, which is the screen where everything happens. On the main screen, I used something called relative layout to position everything. There's a title at the top of the screen, as you can see, Color Personality Calculator. Also a drop down where the user selects his color, and then a button to calculate the personality, then the text area where the result is shown, like green means you're balanced and nature loving. At the very bottom there's also an info button which pops up with instructions. Everything is placed with enough spacing so it's easy to read and use. Now let's talk about how the code works. The color choices are added to the spinner, which is like a drop-down menu. I used a simple array of color names and connected it with an array adapter. When the user picks a color and taps the Calculate Personality button, the app runs a small Kotlin function. In this function, I use a when block, which is like a switch case. It selects color and shows matching personality in the result area. For example, if the user picks blue color, the app might say something like blue means you're calm and trustworthy. All of this happens right inside the main KT file. For the info button, I used a custom dialog layout. At first, I tried a normal alert box, but it looked too simple. So I created a small layout XML file for info screen and showed it using alert dialog with a custom view. That dialog explains how the app works and what the user should do, as you can see on your screen. The splash screen is built different and using a separate activity called splashActivity.kt. I added a short delay using handler.postDelayed and then app moves to the main activity. I also made a custom app icon and launch screen image, as you can see on my desktop screen. These help to make the app look more complete and professional. In terms of design, I wanted everything to be very clean and easy to understand. I used soft colors like teal and gray. The text is big enough to read and all the buttons are simple but styled. I didn't add a lot of animation or advanced features because I wanted app to feel light and not confusing. Also, everything works offline. There is no login, no loading. Just pick a color and get a result. That was my goal. Make it simple, quick, and fun. So that's the technical side of my color personality calculator app. It's built with basic tools, but with care in layout and logic. Thanks for watching. I hope this gave you a good idea of how the app works under the hood. Thank you.